Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you follow me over on Instagram, you have probably already seen a little glimpse of this bedroom transformation, but today I'm finally taking you behind the scenes of the entire makeover from start to finish. I with Z Gallerie to completely transform our primary bedroom into my very own luxury hotel suite. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't giving me that luxe, relaxing feeling that I wanted. The furniture has served us well, but it no longer matched the vision I had for the space. The very first thing that I did was completely clear out the room. I removed all the old furniture to give myself a blank canvas. Sometimes starting fresh, it's exactly what the space needs. Then it came the exciting part, you guys, the delivery from Z Gallerie. The moment the new furniture arrived, I knew this room was about to be transformed. I also ended up getting a new mattress because my old one was super high and thick, and this bed is more of a modern design look, and honestly the high mattress wasn't doing it for me. So the hubby is here putting that together. The Sierra bed with nightstand in the color oatmeal instantly elevated the room. When I go to hotels, I'm always inspired by their accent walls. It's either in the room or the common areas of the hotel. So I decided to bring that feeling home. So I built or designed a custom travertine-inspired accent wall, completed with integrated LED lighting. And honestly, this became my favorite part of the entire makeover. You guys know me, I always bring the vision, but I have to hire help to execute my vision. So here's the team. What they did was create plywood panels so we could then glue the fax travertine flex stone that I bought. And you guys, it's all looking a little weird, but trust the process. We also painted the entire room in Chantilly lace by Benjamin Moore. It's like a white creamy color. So on Amazon, I ordered these metal tracks where my LED lights were gonna go, as you can see here. And they also come with a white cover so the light diffuses and you don't see the little dots of the LEDs. Next, it was time to glue the false travertine panels into the wall. And this is the tricky and hardest part of this project, you guys. But we found a better glue now, so if you're gonna do this project, comment down below so I could give you the name of the glue that works better than the first one that we tried. And this is how the wall looks, you guys. I am obsessed. Honestly, you can't even capture the details in video. This is absolutely gorgeous in person. The stunning wall art from Z Gallerie that you see here, it was meant to be behind my bed, but then I decided to go with the feature wall and I didn't use it. If you watch my brother's living room update, then you know that I gifted him this wall art, so you're gonna see something different in this video. At this point, it was time to add some pillows, some accessories, some decor to the nicely finished bedroom. So here I'm adding these fur pillows from Z Gallerie and also these beautiful pattern pillows from Z Gallerie as well. I will link everything down in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. Love that this bed comes with integrated nightstand, and the best part is that it has 2 outlets, you guys, and 2 USB ports. So you already know that you could charge your phone right on your bedside. After adding a few touches of decor and accessories and the bedding, this is how the room looked, you guys. Honestly, this bed is the star of the show. Look how gorgeous. But I realized some things that I did not quite love during this transformation. The wall art is beautiful, but I wanted a floor mirror again in this area because I could see myself when I get dressed and stuff like that. So I ended up switching that. And these pillows, you guys, are simply gorgeous. I mean, look at the texture of those pillows. Beautiful. Guys, fast forward to today, this is how the room looks. I changed the rug. I also added the beautiful mica bench in front of the bed from Z Gallerie, and of course I added my arch mirror. I think that mirror looks nice and clean, and I could get to see myself when I get dressed in the morning or whenever. So I'm happy with this choice opposed to the wall art that I had before. But look at this bench, it's so soft, you have to touch it. And look at the new rug, it makes the room feel brighter now. You guys, there's still one more thing that I want to update in this room. Can you guess what it is down in the comments? I'm going to be reading the comments. Makeover completely exceeded my expectation. It truly feels like I have created my very own luxury hotel suite right at home. A huge thank you to Z Gallerie for partnering with me on this incredible transformation. Every piece is so beautiful, timeless, and exactly what I envisioned for the space. If you enjoyed today's makeover, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe because there's so much more home transformation coming. God bless. See you on the next one.